Welcome back to our channel. Today the 2025 Kia Soul continues to build upon its reputation as a stylish and practical compact SUV, offering a blend of unique design, spacious interior, and modern features. Maintaining its iconic boxy silhouette, the 2025 model introduces subtle exterior enhancements, including a refreshed front fascia with revised grille and headlights, as well as updated taillights and rear bumper designs. These updates contribute to a more contemporary and athletic appearance, appealing to a broad spectrum of drivers. Inside, the Kia Soul prioritizes comfort and versatility. The cabin boasts high-quality materials and a user-friendly layout, with ample headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers. The 2025 model features a larger touchscreen infotainment system that seamlessly integrates with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring drivers stay connected on the go. Additionally, new interior color schemes and materials provide a more personalized and upscale feel. Under the hood, the 2025 Kia Soul is expected to retain its efficient 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering 147 horsepower paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, and front-wheel drive. This combination offers a balanced performance suitable for daily commuting and city driving. While some competitors offer more powerful engine options, the Soul's powertrain provides adequate acceleration and fuel efficiency. Safety remains a priority for Kia, and the 2025 Soul is equipped with an array of advanced driver assistance features. Standard technologies include a blind spot monitoring system and rear cross-traffic alert, enhancing driver awareness and confidence on the road. These features contribute to the Soul's strong safety profile, making it a reliable choice for families and individuals alike. In terms of value, the 2025 Kia Soul continues to offer a competitive price point, starting at under $21,000. This affordability, combined with its extensive list of standard features and distinctive design, makes the Soul an attractive option in the compact SUV segment. While it lacks all-wheel drive, a feature some rivals provide, the Soul compensates with its spacious interior, comfortable ride, and user-friendly technology. In summary, the 2025 Kia Soul maintains its unique charm and practicality, offering a compelling package for those seeking a compact SUV with personality. Its blend of style, comfort, and modern features ensures that it remains a strong contender in its class, appealing to a wide range of drivers looking for a versatile and affordable vehicle.